stop. Before you file your taxes this year, you need to hear this. Millions of Americans are about to get a smaller tax refund in 2026, and most don't even know why. New tax laws, hidden rules, and silent changes could cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. So the real question is your money safe? Or are you about to lose it? Let's break it down. Your tax refund isn't a bonus, it's your own money being returned. And in 2026, that return could shrink because tax brackets are shifting, deductions are disappearing, and new income tracking rules are stricter than ever. Translation: you might be paying more tax upfront without realizing it. Under the new administration's proposed tax changes, income brackets are being adjusted, but not always in your favor. Here's what matters. Some middle-income earners may be pushed into slightly higher effective tax rates. Inflation adjustments aren't keeping up with real-world costs, and temporary tax cuts from previous years may be phasing out. That means even if your salary hasn't changed, you could still owe more tax. Now here's where it hits hard. Deductions disappearing or reduced. Work from home deductions for most employees. Some state and local tax benefits limits. Miscellaneous itemized deductions. New or expanded credits. Clean energy credits, solar EVs. Child tax credit adjustments. Education-related credits. But here's the catch. Credits only help if you qualify, and many people won't. This is the part no one is talking about. If you have a side hustle, sell online, trade crypto, you're now under tighter IRS reporting rules. New systems track payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, freelance income, digital transactions. Even small earnings could now be reported automatically. And yes, crypto is no longer invisible. Every trade, every sale potentially taxable. Ignore this. You risk penalties, audits, or worse. Now the good news. You're not powerless. Here are 3 smart moves before the deadline. 1. Maximize retirement contributions. Put money into IRA or 401k. Lower your taxable income instantly. 2. Use tax credits strategically. Check eligibility for energy, vacation, and child credits. 3. Track every side income expense. If you earn extra, deduct business expenses legally. Small actions, big savings. 2026 isn't just another tax year, it's a tax shock waiting to happen. The difference between keeping your money or losing it comes down to one thing. Are you prepared? If this helped you, subscribe now because the next update could save you thousands. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.